Hey everybody, I am recording this on Saturday afternoon. What time is it? It's like 6 o'clock. I've been doing this for 2 hours. I may not be there Monday. I have a vein procedure on 12:30 or something. I'm not sure what I'm going to feel like at 5, but I wanted to give you all the information of what the photo would be. So therefore, at least I feel like I participated. This is the setup. I think that's like a 2x4 or 2x3 thingamabobby there. This is the setup. I'm doing a cheddar cheese sauce. So it's the setup there, and it's all like cast iron stuff and dark and moody because I'm a depressive. So this is my Godox. You can see it's at 132 plus 0.3. Claire will tell you what that is because I don't. And this is kind of dark to try and make this work. Okay, I'm going to show you also my process because it does take me so long. So I always start out with props, and I had the light on the right. Wasn't working. I just didn't like it. I put it on the left and everything was in incredible darkness. So then I started throwing in items and also changing the light to see and I kind of like that cross light, but I just don't think it was going to work. It was too dark in the background. So I started modifying the light, changing the light, going. And then changing the aperture because I wanted a very, very shallow depth of field, and you'll see why in the end. And I realized I also wanted light coming in the back to light this. So you saw how I had that V-fold and switching things around, changing exposure a million times, put some things in the background. That is just in a bag with orange peels for my fries, didn't work. So I put in the fabric. This was just pulling my eye way too much. So I played with it for a bit. And then I also got here for my white balance. And this is more saturated than what you're looking at. See if I can fix it a bit. But anyway, so I kind of getting it going. It's too bright there. Didn't like it. I wanted to get that narrower depth of field. And I realized that I'm going to have the top of one of the buns on the side that's really pan fried and buttery and brown. So I wanted to play with that because this is going to be a smash burger. But the subject matter is the cheese sauce for sauce week. And I was going to be holding the little container that pours the cheese like that. So then I started getting closer, changed the exposure, liking it a lot more. I moved this over. This was going to be filled with Coke, so you're not going to notice it much. And I also may pull it back into the shadow, but I have to have the final one there. But this, I think, is the last. This is what I'm going to try and recreate. But like I said, this took me just about 2 hours, and I'm very slow. So I'm going to try and cook it tomorrow, the burger and the cheese sauce, shoot it, and then maybe do some color correction. And maybe if I can slip it in for Monday. If not, I'll put it in the group anyway. Hope you have a great session if I'm not there.